Hello viewers, welcome to Science Academy and also Geo Computer Academy. Myself Lavanya Kumar Sahu, now going to studying about basic concept of computer. So first of all I start what is computer, the basic definitions. The first I have to start what is computer. The high speed electronic device which can accept data, perform calculation and gives the output result with a meaningful manner. It is the definition of computer. So before discussing about this, first I will start what is the utility of the computer system. Now computer became an integrated part of human beings. Without computer system nobody can exist, because each and every moment, each and every jobs are being influenced by computer system. So without computer system nobody can work. So due to that reasons computer plays a vital role in human beings. So first I have to discuss what is the definition of computer system. The high speed electronic device which can accept data, perform calculation and gives the output result with a meaningful manner is called as computer system. Okay, next. So high speed electronic device, that means those device which can perform any type of calculation within a fraction of time, fraction of seconds, that is called high speed. So what is electronics? Electronic means those devices which can consume less electricity, that is called electronics. So electronic device is most important part because it consumes less electricity. So we have to discuss what is electronic. Yes, so electronic means those devices which are consumed less electricity is called as electronic device. That means electric consumption is now became very vital part. Okay, तेणु जो डिवाइसेस गुड़िक कम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंज्यूम करे ताको साधारणतः आम इलेक्ट्रोनिक डिवाइस को, तेणु जो इलेक्ट्रोनिक डिवाइस हाई स्पीड रे काम करिवो, को काम करे, दैट मीन्स इन केस ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट टेक्स द डाटा. ओके, data means the set of instruction achieve a successive goal. That means simple, data is a raw facts. That mean the data which not to be processed. After refine you have to get the final product or the final information, that is called the refined data. Okay, first of all user means those person uses the computer system is called the system user. First user send the data through the help of input devices. So what is input devices? Those devices through which we can enter the data into the computer system is called as input devices. What are they? So let up to example. So first one is keyboard. Then second is mouse, then third is scanner. These are three important devices which plays vital role in computer system. Okay, then so first of all we have to discuss about keyboard. So keyboard is the input device through which we can direct enter the data to the computer system by typing procedure. In other words, it helps to direct communicate with the computer system. कंप्यूटर सिस्टम सहित सीधा सड़क कम्युनिकेट करिया पई कीबोर्ड होउची गोटे माध्यम थ्रू व्हिच यू कैन कम्युनिकेट योर इनपुटिंग डाटा into the computer memory also. Then mouse is the second thing. Mouse is also called an input device through which you can select something on the computer screen. That means you have to send an electronic signal to have selecting on the computer screen any apps whatever you have to like. Okay, then scanner means to have make duplicate copy of your document. डॉक्यूमेंट रो अबिकल नकल तैयारी करिया पय स्कैनर डिवाइस निहाती जरूरी. That means through which you can upload your different files or also different documentation. Okay, then by the help of three important devices you can perform various work like entering of data, selecting data and upload your data by using scanner to make the duplicate copy of your documents. अबिकल नकल तैयारी करि परिबो स्कैनर ये गोटे इनपुट डिवाइस. सो यूजर फर्स्ट सेंड द डाटा टू द बाय द हेल्प ऑफ कीबोर्ड इनटू द कंप्यूटर. देन कंप्यूटर स्टोर द डाटा इन मेमोरी. दैट मीन्स दैट यूनिट इज कॉल्ड एज एम यूनिट. कंप्यूटर को पठा जाउथवा डाटा यूजर द्वारा प्रथमे मेमोरी यूनिट को जाए because it is one type of reserving area at where you have to store your data temporarily and permanently at the time of necessary that you have to retrieving and further processing. कहिबार अर्थ होची दिया जाउथवा तथ्यावली प्रथम रिजर्विंग हुए. that means how much space is reserved for that data. ता अर्थ यूजर पठौथिबा तथ्यावली पई केते जागा भीतर रिजर्व अछि प्रथम आइडेंटिफाई हुए सिस्टम द्वारा. Then your data direct goes towards ALU locations. Okay, which stands for arithmetic logic unit. Which stands for arithmetic and logic unit. Logic unit. Okay, so first we have to discuss about memory. MU stands for memory unit. Memory unit. So what is memory? Memory is the reserving area at where you have to store your data. Okay, so one type of space. So types of memory indicates memory like first one is primary memory, or main storage also. Then second type is secondary memory, or auxiliary memory, or expandable memory. Secondary data type. Secondary memory comes under the second type memory like secondary memory, auxiliary memory, expandable memory. Clear? So first, whenever you have to send the data to the computer system, then data stored in memory unit. Okay, after reserving your data direct goes towards ALU location. Okay, the primary means the memory which direct communicate with the system unit at the time of manufacturing. So secondary means the memory which can provide the backup storage. That means system किछि extra memory provide करे. If you have insufficient internal memory, if you have insufficient internal memory, जदि तमर internal memory insufficient होउची, obviously you have to use secondary memory. That means it can expand your memory. Okay, next thing, after reserving the data direct goes towards ALU locations. ALU means it stands for arithmetic logic unit. So what is arithmetic? First of all we have to discuss about arithmetics. All the simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentile, exponent function, all these are very simple thing. These are the operators which are used in mathematical operation. Okay, so simple calculation like which comes under arithmetical operation. Confused? Let me explain. Suppose you have to consider two different variable like a and b. So a is a variable and b also is a variable. a b दुटा different variable नियो जते बेले आको हम addition करिवा. Suppose s is the third variable which takes the addition of two different variables a and b. a b रो addition को जेउथरे store करा जिवो, that is also called the result. Here a and b to different operands because it will operate by a operator. तो a b को आमे ऑपरेंड कहवा कहीं ऑपरेंड कहीं ना प्लस होची ऑपरेटर जी ए बी को ऑपरेट कराए. सिंपल अरिथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस. ओके, सो हियर प्लस इज कॉल्ड द ऑपरेटर. Operator means the special symbol which can perform a specific task. Takes the operand a and b, makes the result. So here those variable who will operates, those value who will operate is called as operand. Okay, here s is the result. So after addition of two variable it create a third party. So third here is one type of memory which contains the value of two different variable. Suppose let a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5. So s is equal to how much? Let me explain. s is equal to a plus b. So just put the value of a and b. a is equal to 3 plus b is equal to 5. That means 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So 8 is the value which is under control of s. That means s is a memory or container or such type of buffer or small buffer which contains the value of 8. Okay, so this calculations is called as arithmetical operations. All the simple calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percent and also exponential function all comes under the control of arithmetical operations. The second thing, so what is logical unit? What is logic? Logic means all the conditional type data comes under logical operation. So what type of condition? The first condition is, suppose check input a number a and check input a number a and check whether it is positive or negative. First you have to take a number a, just put input or put a number a through keyboard and check whether it is positive or negative. So one type of logic. Logic always needs yes or no. If your control statement is jumps to true, then it execute, otherwise it execute false. Clear? So I have to discuss about logic. Clear? Logic means according to the diagram of flowchart, flowchart. First start is the main part to initiation of data. Then second thing is which value that you have to input for processing. Just take input A. That means that value that enter by you for processing or execution. Next thing, it will take the decision by rhombus symbol, because rhombus is used for decision making. Is A greater than 0? You put the question. Rhombus makes the decision by true or false. If your control of statement returns true, then it will execute A is positive. How? Confused? Let me explain. Suppose you have to consider number line which initiate middle as 0. Whenever you have to travel right side, always visit positive numbers, rather have to visit negative numbers. Okay, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଶୂନର ଡାହାଣ ପଟକୁ ତୁମେ ଯିବ ପଜିଟିଭ ନମ୍ବର ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରିବ, 0ରୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବାମ ପଟ ସାଇଡ୍କି ଯିବ ନେଗେଟିଭ ନମ୍ବର ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରିବ. So logic here is A is a single party. Logic needs always two party or more than two parties. Suppose here A is one party, so another party is which? Another party is 0. Whenever you have to compare A with 0, two different parties, your question is A greater than 0? If it is true, then the number is the side, takes the side positive, because greater than 0 means always takes the positive side. जी शून्य ठारू बड़ सब बेले धनात्मक रहिबो. जदि ए र मूल्य आमे कौन सी युक्तात्मक नौचु तेबे शून्य ठारू डाहाण पटको मूवमेंट करिवो. जदि कंडीशन फॉल्स हो गला, that means if your control statement executes false, then your control jumps to the negative side. That means your number executes negative side. Suppose first put the question, input the value of A. So whatever value that you have to put here, that doesn't matter. So your control checks that value is greater than 0 or not. If the control statement comes true, then it executes positive side. That means your number is on right position or right side of the positive section. If the control statement returns false, then your number position is negative side. That means it execute the value as like this, A is negative. तार अर्थ शून्य ठारू जदि आमे राइट साइड को जीवा ऑलवेज विजिट पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. सो योर कंट्रोल ऑफ स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट्स एज इज ए ग्रेटर देन 0. से प्रथम चेक करिवो ए शून्य ठारू बड़ कि. जदि ए शून्य ठारू बड़ तेबे कंट्रोल ऑफ स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव एग्जीक्यूट करिवो. जदि फॉल्स एग्जीक्यूट कला देयर आंसर इज, देन योर आंसर इज ए इज नेगेटिव. हियर ओनली वन control goes towards the printing. Print A. That means it execute only a single part, either true or false. तेणु कंट्रोल स्टेटमेंट गोटे आंसर ही एग्जीक्यूट करिवो. तेणु जोटा तुम आंसर हम प्रिंट ए. फाइनली then your flow chart that goes towards stop section. Okay, so ALU location is the unit which can identify the data that given by the user. ता अर्थ यूजर देइथिबा डाटा को तथ्यावली को प्रथमे ALU लोकेशन आइडेंटिफाई करे. which step is most necessary for that. Okay, को उपाय हेले उक्त तथ्यावली समाधान हो पारिबो से प्रथमे ALU लोकेशन द्वारा आइडेंटिफाई हुए. then your data died goes towards MU units, because MU unit stands for memory units, which contains the execution of data, and finally it is extracted through the help of output devices. Output can be performed by two devices. First one is monitor and second one is printer. Here monitor provides the soft copy output, whereas printer provides the hard copy output. Because monitor, the data which can provided by monitor can't be touchable, only seen, whereas printer provides the hard copy output. That means you can touch that, and also you can sense frequently by any pen or whatever devices that you have to use. Okay, so output can be performed by two devices, monitor and printer. Suppose you have to face any interview, someone tell you, so give me your details as a soft copy. तुमको किए पचला soft copy दवा पाई. That means you have to send your details by online. यदि hard copy कथा कोया गला, that means you have to print your data and send through postal. That means offline. जेकोसी वाक इन इंटरव्यू रे दीटा वे आम डाटा सेंड कर पाइबा. ऑफलाइन मीन्स योर डाटा सेंड बाय द पोस्टल वे. ओके, देन ऑनलाइन मीन्स योर डाटा डाइट गोस टुवर्ड्स द सर्वर बाय द हेल्प ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. यू नो exact thing. So all the things are controlled by CU units. CU stands for control unit, which can control the whole activities of the system. Whatever going on, सिस्टम भितर कौन कौन परफॉर्मेंस होची, कोटा भी एरर फिक्स होची, से सब को डिबगिंग करिबा, एरर फिक्स करिबा एवं तार सॉल्यूशन जे करे सेला कंट्रोल यूनिट. सपोज your parent is your governing body. So whatever decision that taken by you, that must governed by your departmental head, like your family. Okay, सेमती आ भितर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम भितर जेते गुडी परफॉर्मेंस होची, एते गुडे परफॉर्मेंस होची आर सबु जाक कार्यटा सी यूनिट पर डिपेंड करे. सपोज यू हैव टू डिलीट एनी मैसेज. कैन यू डिलीट? नेवर बी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट विल इन्फॉर्मिंग यू और कन्फर्मिंग यू, आर यू श्योर टू डिलीट दिस. जते बळे कौन सी मैसेज डिलीट करिवो, ये प्रथम तो क्वेश्चन पुट करिवो, आर यू श्योर टू डिलीट दिस, विथ यस और with yes or no message or button. If you have to press, then go through the deletion, otherwise not. So it is the process, because control unit watches you. Whatever you go, को जगह जाऊँ केमी प्रोसेस करूँ, ये सब जिन को watch out करके control unit. Control is the main part which plays a vital role. So first of all, the high speed electronic device which can accept data. The data can sent by the user through the input devices. Then memory takes the data, because without memory data can't be movement safely. So memory unit is the unit which hold your data temporarily and permanently at the time of necessity that you have to retrieve and also further processing. तार अर्थ स्टोरेज होते डाटा को तुम फ्रिक्वेंटली चाहिए काढ़ी पार एवं पुनरीकरण कर चाहिए पुनरीकरण कर. नेक्स्ट थिंग, डाटा कौन कौन परफॉर्म कैलकुलेशन. एम यूनिट एलयू को जीव, एलयू परफॉर्म कर सारा पर आउटपुट रिजल्ट बाहर. जिते गुड़िए काम है ये सबूर कंट्रोलटा सी यूनिट अंडर रहा. क्लियर? देन and gives the output result with a meaningful manner. परफॉर्मेंस रा आउटपुट दे भारिबो. ये प्रोसेस रे जो डिवाइस काम करूछि ताको साधारणतः हम कंप्यूटर बोली कहिबा. तो इट इज द फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन that discussed by myself. Okay, only this definition. Thank you. Next time I will see you.